Happy birthday, Kenya. 18 years. Woo! It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kenya. 18 years. Wow. What do you think? It's her birthday. This is Kenya Parrot. Is she healthy? Yes, she is. She is very healthy and very happy. And she eats Harrison's Lifetime Course pellets along with fruits and vegetables. She eats lots of vegetables. Huh, Kenya? You like your vegetables? You eat a lot of vegetables? Yep. Yep. You like it? Kenya spends a lot of time outdoors. She has a play stand outside, as you probably already know, but if you don't know, I'm going to tell you. She has lots of foraging toys, so she's always very busy, and she has lots of things that keeps her stimulated and happy. I try to keep her as busy as possible. Huh, Kenya? You like to play with your toys? Are you gonna say anything for the video? Over there, talk to your friends. Talk to your friends, Kenya. Say hi. Hi. Now, what does Kenya like? The things Kenya likes to do is she loves to be in the bathroom. She likes to hang out in the bathroom, and she will tell me when she wants to go in there. And she loves to play outside. She loves attention, so if she sees me, she wants me. Huh. And let's see, what does Kenya dislikes? Let's see what she doesn't like. No balloons. Do not bring a balloon into the house or anywhere around Kenya, right? No balloons. Kenya she freaks out when a balloon comes into the house, and I found that out at an early age, so I've always known not to bring any balloons into the house because Kenya will be on the floor scared. Right? What else? I think that's it. All right, we just wanted to say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kenya.